If you're looking for the best home insurance company in 2026, this video is for you. 'Cause honestly, there are dozens of insurance companies out there, and choosing the wrong one can cost you a lot of money when you actually need to file a claim. So, today I'm ranking the best home insurance companies in 2026 based on coverage, customer satisfaction, financial strength, and overall value. Let's get started. Number 3, Allstate remains one of the largest home insurance companies in the United States and offers a wide range of coverage options. Many homeowners like Allstate because of its customizable policies, which allow you to add extra protection based on your specific needs. The company also offers useful digital tools and multiple discounts that can help reduce premiums. Number 2, USAA home insurance has become one of the strongest options for homeowners, especially in states where some insurers have reduced their availability. USAA offers reliable coverage, strong customer service, and a long-standing reputation for helping members. Many homeowners also appreciate the ability to bundle home and auto insurance, which can lead to additional savings. And now, my number 1 pick, USAA for eligible military members, veterans, and their families. USAA is widely considered one of the best insurance companies available. The company consistently receives excellent customer satisfaction ratings, strong claims reviews, and offers comprehensive coverage options. Many policyholders report positive experiences when filing claims, which is one of the most important factors when evaluating an insurance company. Now let's talk about what you should actually look for when comparing home insurance providers. Because the cheapest policy isn't always the best one, you should consider coverage, limits, deductible, customer service, claims, handling, financial strength, and available discounts. It's also important to review exactly what is covered and what is excluded from the policy, because many homeowners only discover coverage gaps after they need to file a claim. Another tip: always compare multiple quotes before making a decision. Insurance rates can vary significantly, even for the same property, and comparing options could potentially save you hundreds of dollars each year. So, to summarize my ranking for the best home insurance companies in 2026 is number 3, Allstate; number 2, USAA Home Insurance; number 1, USAA. Each company has its strengths, but the best choice ultimately depends on your location, your property, your budget, and your coverage needs, because honestly, your home is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make, and choosing the right insurance company is one of the smartest ways to protect it.